What is guys, Alex here. Here I have the Bose QuietComfort buds. In this video I will show you the noise cancellation, the battery life, the water resistant rating that these headphones have, of course talking about the audio quality as well, and comparing the prices from these headphones being $280, comparing them to other headphones in comparisons in the future. But without further ado, let's get on into the video. Let me talk to you guys about what I like and what I don't like about this case. The case has 5 LEDs indicating what the battery is at in these headphones. Of course, 5 being max or 100% battery, 3 of course being halfway or something like that, 75%, 50 and then 25. Then you have the Bose logo on the front of the headphones. You also have USB Type-C on the back. Love USB Type-C. Always think USB Type-C is better than micro USB or lightning port that Apple uses. But USB Type-C on the bottom. This case is magnetic and it has a button, a indicated button to open up the case or not. And it is wirelessly charged. You can charge it wirelessly or with a wire, of course. And it brings pins to charge the headphones. As you guys can see, the headphones are right there, and when I tap it, the headphones don't come out. This is great in case you drop the case and the lid opens. That way the headphones internally don't take any damage whatsoever. This may cause damage in the audio and the noise cancellation and how they fit your ear or not. If of course like a big chunk of the headphones chips off if you drop it in concrete or something like that. But yeah, now let me talk to you guys about something I really don't like about this case. I wish the case would have been a little bit smaller. As you can see right there, it fits in the palm of your hand, but it's still super big. So you're gonna feel it in your pocket, if you're wearing especially jeans. So I just recommend carrying it in a bag or leaving it at home. Now the battery life is 12 hours. For a case this size, it should be max 24, maybe even 30. So for them to have 12 hours of battery life and to have a case this big, I feel like is a bad move on Bose's part. They should have had 20 hours or 24 for the size of this case. It's super big and it only has 12 hours of battery life. Now for the headphones. These headphones have a pretty good design. They fit in your ear super good. Now the how do I say this, the pads that go into your ear go from 1, 2 and 3. So it's basically like small, medium and large, but in my opinion, I am comfortable with 2. You do have to fit it into your ear super well. It is a little bit hard for me. But once you fit it into your ear, they won't fall out. You can move your head as much as you want, and the headphones will not fall out. It doesn't matter what type of exercise you're doing, and the headphones won't fall out. Now, there is a little bit of fatigue problem. If you're in the bed, when you're in your bed and you're listening to your headphones and you want to lay with the headphones, of course, on the pillow, this may hurt your ears a little bit because, I feel like this is a little bit big and it may hurt like the bottom part of your ear because of this like little part right here. But other than that, these headphones are amazing. If you fit them in, you can jump around, run, and they won't fall out. They have good audio. And now the battery life. The battery life is 6 hours. Pretty normal for headphones. I've seen headphones with 9 hours, 7 and 8 hours of battery life. So 6 hours plus 12, that's a total of 18 hours of battery life. Not that good. Would have wished it would have been 24 if you're going to use these headphones daily, not just for working out, but for meetings and getting calls, because these headphones are also pretty good for the calls. They have a pretty good set of microphones as well. But other than that, these earbuds are pretty awesome. Now the noise cancellation, which is the best part about these headphones. I have never heard in me testing out headphones a better noise cancellation for this category of headphones. Remember, these are wireless headphones. The noise cancellation is amazing. It beats the AirPods Pro and it beats the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. Now I recommend for you guys to use a pad that fits into your ear, so you know, you can block out more sound from the outside, you know, of course with the 3, you know, levels. I'm gonna call them levels. You know, of course, if I don't know if it's this pad that they included right here, both included, but it just makes it so much better, and especially if you have the one that fits your ear perfectly as well. These headphones are amazing, and you have an app which you can change the sensitivity of the noise cancellation. Once you open the app and you link up these headphones, you can change the noise cancellation all the way up to 100%, 50, 75, however you like it, you know, to, you know, let in more sound if somebody's calling your name or something like that. But yeah, these headphones have really good noise cancellation, and I've tested them out with the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live and the AirPods Pro, and these headphones honestly beat the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live and the AirPods Pro when it comes to noise cancellation. For the cause, this is where the headphones get a little bit, you know, disappointing. Now, only the right side works in a call. I would have wished, you know, that every single headphone company, or that they upload, or, you know, that they sell stuff like this, that both sides work in calls. This goes to say that if your right side dies of the headphones and you're getting a call, you won't be able to use it for the call. You're gonna have to take out your phone from your pocket and talk to the person normally, and come on, nobody got time for that. Now, if the right side dies, you won't be able to get calls, and the worst part about it is your multimedia functions won't work either. Only on the right side is the multimedia functions, whereas to skip a song, to, you know, fast forward, or not fast forward a song, but to go back to the previous song that you were listening to, or Siri and stuff like that. If the right side dies, it is over. You won't be able to pick up calls, and you won't be able to use your multimedia functions, and calls won't work on the phone anymore. I've tested this out. You know, I wish that Bose, especially for the price of these headphones, I wish that Bose would have implemented both sides working, and that both sides are able to use the multimedia functions. But in this case, I guess they just decided to use the right side for calls and for multimedia functions, which is where the headphones, they get a little bit disappointing. I mean, yes, the noise cancellation is really good, you know, the audio quality is also super good, but, you know, the multimedia functions only on the right side. Come on, Bose, I know you can do better than that. Alright, now the headphones for water rating, they're IPX4. My dad has conducted a water test on these headphones. He has dumped an entire water bottle on these headphones, and they have survived. So it goes to show that these headphones will survive if you drop them maybe in a pool, or if it's raining, or if you're sweating. These headphones will probably survive because they're IPX4. I've conducted a water test. I'll be uploading that very soon, and my dad has conducted a water test, so that is in total 2 water tests, and they both have survived full water bottles. But yeah, honestly, IPX4, they survived. Okay, now the Bluetooth connection. These headphones have 5.1 Bluetooth connection. That would be 9.7 meters, and of course distance. Now, what really surprised me is that these headphones don't have delay. You can be watching a video, a movie at the same time, and the headphones will play at the same time that the character is talking in the movie or the video that you're watching. So again, 5.1, they did really good, and 9.7 meters, so what is that, 15 feet away from the headphones, and they'll start to lag out. But when you're watching a movie or listening to a video, it will be perfectly in sync with that video or song or movie that you're playing. Now, with the calls, despite my experience, or what I said with of course only the right side working, these are perfect for calls. You have 4 microphones, and those 4 microphones work perfectly for calls, you know, and they also give you a good satisfying feel for that noise cancellation. You could be in a call with only the right side, and you'll still feel that noise cancellation, you know, blocking out all those noises within, you know, of course, where you are. If you're at the mall, the train station, basically anywhere you are, you know, these headphones have really good microphones, and the person that's on the other line, they can definitely hear you. You know, I was talking to my friend, and I actually started playing music from one of my speakers, and they were still able to hear me. And myself, I wasn't able to hear the music because of the noise cancellation. So I'm gonna give them a good point when it comes to calls. So these headphones, they have a tactile touch. I love the way that Bose, you know, did these headphones. They sound well, not that they sound amazing, but if you're gonna activate a function within these headphones, they work perfectly. And as soon as you touch, like, to pause the song, it automatically does it. You know, Love the way they did it with these headphones, and as soon as you take it out of your ear, the music stops. Love the way. Now for the sound test. Audio quality. The audio quality on these headphones are amazing within its bass and everything else. They sound honestly amazing. You know, these headphones, again, you can configure it within the app however you want it, of course, but these headphones sound amazing with the noise cancellation. Bose have a reputation for making good headphones with outstanding sound quality, and these headphones are no different. These headphones have amazing sound quality. They sound absolutely phenomenal. And yeah, honestly, audio quality, I just showed you guys, you know, of course, a quick sound test, you know, but that was just a quick sound test. I've played it with hip-hop, you know, rap music, other stuff like that, pop music and stuff like that, and these headphones still sound amazing with it, with the noise cancellation and the bass and everything else. These headphones still sound amazing. But overall, let's go on into the conclusion. Overall, I'm gonna give these headphones a 9 out of 10. There are two reasons why I'm not giving these headphones a 10 out of 10. Reason number one is that the right side is the only side that works within a call. And the second reason is that the headphones don't have as much battery life as I would want them to. These headphones only have 16 hours within the case, and then 12 hours within the case, and then 6 hours within the headphones. That's a total of 18 hours. For the size of this case, it should have been at least 24 hours, max 20. I would have allowed 20, but 12 is just, you know, disappointing, and I feel like both they could have done better. But overall, other than those 2 points, the noise cancellation on these headphones beats out the Buds Live and the Earbuds Pro. Sound quality also does the same. I would say they're pretty much on par with the Buds Live, but it's gonna be on a comparison, so stay tuned for that. But other than that, these headphones have great sound quality, good noise cancellation, or great noise cancellation. Battery could have been a little bit better, and I would have wished for both sides to have multimedia function, and for both sides to work within a call, because you guys know the problems that it brings if only one side works with a call. But yeah, hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe will mean the world to me. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.